So we are logging with the as a self login where you can see all the self-employed details. We are on the dashboard of the self login where you have a profile picture with the other detailed profiles, which role, if you have multiple role access, reset password, full screen you can see, and log out once you want to log out. And if you want to clock in clock out, you have the clock in clock out facility where you can record your in out details. Okay, and then you have the dashboard where it will show your profile pic with the email ID and the designation, and these are all the shortcut menus that can be used, like leave application, leave card, pay slips, reimbursement. So the same way you can use in the menu also. And at the right hand side you have the leave where you have the weekly of the current month, how many leave taken, paid leave, holidays, unpaid leave, so it will display. Same way it will come in the my event where whatever the events are in the organization, like birthdays, work anniversary, marriage anniversary, new joiners, so it will display on a dashboard on the basis of whatever the data we have. So accordingly you can have the list of holiday, like new whatever the organization have the holiday of the holiday list. And then you have the notice board, whatever the notice has been published by admin department, it will show up on the dashboard. Attendance, you can view your attendance for a current month, it will display. And resource center, it whatever the new releases in the system, it will display on the resource center. Then you have people directory, like people in my department, so it will display your department's all the employee list. If you want to check your direct reportees or indirect reportees, or you can search as well any employee. Notification section will cover whatever the notifications are going in the system. Like it can be a leave, it can other than leave approval. If you have the dual authority, like you are the manager of some employee, then you can have the leave approval authority option also. In the dashboard it will display, you can click and you can approve as well. Handbook, so various handbooks can be like it can be user manual, it can be company policy, it can be other information for of the organization, so you can view on the dashboard by click on any, you can view the document as well. Then it's come to your HR decks where you can have the request option. If you have the confirmation process, you can apply from the self login. HR deck will cover the asset and other assets and your current vacancy. If any organization have the current vacancy, then it will display. Attendance, like you can request your attendance regularization from the self login. If you want to request your correct your in out details, you can put in out time and with the remarks and request, it will go to your reporting manager at the first level, or it can be multiple level also. View in out detail, it will show up whatever the daily attendance, it will display. Monthly attendance, same way it will display in a report. Team leave attendance report, if you have the manager multiple authority, you can see your team attendance report. Short of working hours, if you have messed up come late by any reason, you can put your remarks to apply for a short of working hours. Payroll will cover whatever the pay slips you have. Pay slips, you can view your own pay slips, ID computation sheets, month-wise salary detail. You can submit your investment declaration form. If form is not activated, you can contact your HR department. So once it activated, you can fill your details and you can submit. Then you have other compliances reports, like you have the form 16, you can view your PF contributions, and also if you are using the reimbursement, then you can apply the reimbursement. You can select your reimbursement type and you can add. So once you fill all the detail, it can go to your finance department directly for approval. Then you have your leave application. If you want to apply any leave from the system, you can directly go to leave application and click and apply. It will show whatever the balance you have credited from the system. You can apply and you can select your leave type, leave reason, date, from date to date. If you want to apply for a half day, then you can select just one selected. You can have first half to apply half day. If you want to apply for second half, you can select second half to apply for a half day for second half. If you want to attach any document, you can attach the document as well. Then you have your leave withdrawal. If you want to withdraw any leave, you can apply for cancellation. Once your leave has been approved, then only it will show under the leave withdrawal screen. Leave card, it will show all the details of your particular year, how many leave applied, taken, total utilization, who, at what time you have applied, who at what time the approved. So it will display all the details. View balances, it will cover whatever the balances has been credited from the system. You can see the balances, opening, accrual, taken, adjustment, and the balances. If any encashment is done, it will display them. Reports, if you are the manager, then you can view your team calendar, view balance statement of your employees. Then you have the expense, like expense management. You can apply for the expense claim form from the self login, where once you submit, it will go to your reporting manager for approval. You can enter all the details with attachments. If you have item, you can select whatever the item you want to apply. The same way you can have for travel and advance requests, and then you have your expense reports. PMS, if you want to submit the PMS form, you can submit from the self login. It can be have the KRA self rating weightages. You have to just put your self rating and the comments, and once you submit, it will go to your approval for your reporting manager for approval. Task assignment, if you want to add up any task for your to show up to your reporting manager, you can add, and all the details once you submit, it will go to your reporting manager for checking. Recruitment just have the referral option, where if you want to refer any employee to your organization for particular position, you can submit the referral also. Exit, like if you want to request the resignation from the portal, you can apply for the exit request form. Once it has been approved, you can apply for a exit feedback also. Personal details, so whatever the details has been added in the system, so it will show up under the personal details. So it has the address, documentation, emergency address, family detail, nomination. So all the things can be submitted from the self login as well. Once you submit, it will go to your it will go to your HR department for approval. Once it has been approved, it will automatically reflect here in the system. Social wall, whatever the post has been published by the organization in on a particular social media, so that will be displayed under the social wall. Okay.